everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to check your credit score using the RBC Mobile App in 2024. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, locate and open the RBC Mobile App on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can get it from the App Store. Now you can simply download it. Next, log into your RBC account using your username and password. If you have Touch ID or Face ID enabled, you can use that for quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home screen. Look for the More or Menu option at the bottom right of the screen and tap on it. In the menu, scroll down until you find the Credit Score option and tap on it to proceed. Here you'll see your credit score displayed prominently. You can also find more detailed information about your credit history and factors affecting your score. And that's it. Checking your credit score in the RBC mobile app is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.